Hi, how you doing? I'm Said from affiliateship.com, and in this video I want to talk about how you can learn this in-demand high income skill uh, by engaging affiliate marketing. Okay, so as a common career path, one would usually study and work towards attaining a career in a specific field, i.e. medicine, sales, engineering, uh, etc. Right? There are also others that kind of go with the flow type of job, where they go from job to job and working through various sectors. Nothing wrong with that, as to each their own. The only downside is that with this approach you don't specialize in a specific profession. And if you're just going through random jobs that are sort of average or minimum paid jobs, then the skills and experience that you gain may not perceive to be high income skills. Uh, in other words, with average or minimum paid jobs, you can easily be replaced by someone else, as the employers just as easily can train someone up to do what you were doing. For example, take McDonald's, right? They don't have a chef, right? Do they have a chef? Of course they don't have a chef, right? That's because they don't need a chef. They probably have some, operations manual that can teach anyone with no experience to become an expert in preparing and serving the menu items for McDonald's. As you can see, there aren't many specific in-demand and high-income skills that you'll learn. For example, working in McDonald's, right? Don't get me wrong, you may still learn plenty of general skills, which is still essential and useful. Skills such as customer service, team working, paying attention to detail, working on your own initiative, and useful skills like these. But if you really want to develop skills that are high income and in demand, then it's all about mastering a skill which is needed in the marketplace. So if you engage in affiliate marketing, whether it's part-time or full-time, then you will learn one of the most sought after high income skills, that is marketing. So marketing services and marketing in general is regarded as a high income and in-demand skill that businesses will be willing to pay for on an ongoing basis, because marketing helps companies with bringing in revenue and can take a business from an unknown to a highly successful one by implementing proven marketing strategies. Therefore, when you learn affiliate marketing, you get to learn valuable marketing skills that you can go on to apply in other industries and companies who require marketing and to sell their products and services. Let's be honest, there's going to be a vast number of companies who sell products and services that need marketing, so that people are aware of their products and what they sell, right? And if you take the time and effort to master affiliate marketing, then you will have also by default learn some specialist set of in-demand valuable marketing skills. Also in future you may have potential career and business opportunities where you can apply your marketing skills that you learn from affiliate marketing. And here's just some of the top marketing skills that you learn when you engage in affiliate marketing, and once learned you can easily be applied in general marketing, okay, in other areas of marketing. For example, traffic generation, social media marketing, copywriting, data analytics, sales and conversions, email marketing, tracking, creativity, content marketing, SEO, web development, and much more. So when you think about it, affiliate marketing is not much different from a company hiring a marketing company to help market their products and services. Similarly, in affiliate marketing, you're still marketing someone else's product, but in return for a commission and as an independent marketer. It's just some of the strategies and angles of marketing that may differ. For example, in affiliate marketing, your marketing strategy should be to promote your affiliate marketing business first, then the product second, right? This way your audience can also warm to your brand and your business, as well as they can know you, like you, and trust you, of course, and as well as they can like the affiliate marketing affiliate product owner's business as well at the same time, because that's a proven way that you can build a sustainable affiliate business, okay, by getting your audience to actually know you, like you, and trust you, so they can buy from you again and again, okay, when you promote affiliate marketing products to them. So when you have an in-demand high income skill, you become a valuable skilled professional in your industry, and no one can take that away from you, okay? This skill that you learn and it's within you. You can then utilize your marketing skills in different ways in industries. For example, you can still continue to do affiliate marketing. You can promote other products and services that you're passionate about. Alternatively, you can also get into marketing consulting and even simply work in the marketing department for various companies, or you can even do all if you wanted to. In addition, the skills that I mentioned earlier, such as traffic generation, SEO, and copywriting, you can even specialize in one of those specific areas and become a specialist in those areas. When you become a specialist, you can command higher financial compensation for the work that you do, because specialists are recognized more as the experts and master specific skills. So to sum it up, marketing in general is an evergreen and ever-growing lucrative industry, and marketing skills, when developed, can be highly valuable and in demand for many industries that need to market products and services. And with affiliate marketing, you have an opportunity to get into the world of marketing, where you can learn some high income skills, marketing skills, and with those valuable marketing skills you develop from affiliate marketing, you have the option to go further and progress on to working in other exciting marketing projects and opportunities, thus earning more income in the process. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. Hope you liked this video and it gave you some ideas on and reasons to engage in affiliate marketing, get into marketing, and work in affiliate marketing if you want to, of course. And yeah, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. And if you like more stuff like this, visit affiliateship.com/newsletter. Okay, thank you for watching and all the best.